Klaben Ford Lincoln is part of the Klaben Auto Group, proudly serving Northeast Ohio for over 50 years. And here's a look at one of our great vehicles for sale. It comes equipped with navigation, intelligent adaptive cruise control, garage door transmitter, leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away, rain-sensitive windshield wipers, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, AM/FM Sirius XM radio, 360-degree camera, rear view camera, rear spoiler, and has less than 5,000 miles on the odometer. Today, the Klaben family lives by the same customer-driven principles that their founder, Al Klaben, incorporated into the first store he opened over 50 years ago. They remain a local family business in culture and in practice, while being able to pass along to you the benefits of being a large business. This allows Klaben to provide you with the absolute best value, while retaining their strong focus on delivering a level of customer service that sets them apart. Check out their reviews. This is the Klaben difference.